How to find jobs easily in LinkedIn. If you are searching for a job or an internship using LinkedIn, you should definitely watch this video, because in this video I'm going to share a way that you can find any jobs on LinkedIn and you can hear back from recruiters as well. Also, I am going to share a free cold email template that you can use to write to recruiters in your job search or internship search. So please make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't miss anything in this video. All you have to do is just open your LinkedIn profile and search for any job or internship that you want. Let's suppose you are searching for a Java developer role. You will find all the jobs that are posted by various recruiters. First job itself is Java, related to Java developer. I have selected this. You can find something here. In every job posting or internship posting in LinkedIn, you will see the one who have actually posted the job. In here, the one who posted the job is visible to me. So all you have to do is just send a message here. But what you can actually write to them, just open the LinkedIn profile. There will be multiple options for you. The first thing is you can connect with them. If you click connect, you will see an option like send without a note and add a note. Just click add a note. What you have to write here is, I will share a cold email template that you can write to recruiters so that they can consider your profile at least. So this is the template that you need. Just copy this template. I will show you how you can get this template, and just update your details. That's it, like job title and company name. Because you are applying for Java developer at a particular company, you need to replace these details. And here recruiter's name, instead of recruiter's name, you need to write the recruiter name that you are writing for. Like all those details you need to you just need to replace. And in the end, you need to add your name followed by portfolio website link. If you are applying for Java developer, you might have a GitHub link, or if you are applying for other roles, you might have a website or portfolio link. Just add them, because it will help recruiters just to scan your profile or scan your portfolio before replying to you. So it's always a good thing to attach your website or portfolio link. So how you can get this cold template? Just open yaswanthpalaghat.com. So here you will find a free career content, and the first link itself is LinkedIn cold email template. If you click this, it will be redirected to this page. Just download it or just copy it and paste it in LinkedIn chat before sending connection request. If you follow this trick, it's the best way, because recruiters will give more preference to people who have reached out to them, instead of just applying and waiting for the response or waiting for an interview call from so-and-so recruiter or so-and-so company. It's better to write cold email to them directly. It is applicable for any jobs. Any job it might be for IT related roles, it might be for marketing related roles, it might be for consulting related roles, it might be finance related roles or freelancing roles. Whatever the role it might be, if you follow this way of approaching recruiters, then ultimately there are 99% chances that you will be ahead of the rest. I hope you find this video helpful. Please share it with someone whom you think will get benefit from this video. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.